I don't want to waste your time, so I want to give you some quick wins when it comes to your presentation skills to help you right away make life a lot easier for you. First tip, cheat. And I don't mean anything unethical or illegal. I mean use a cheat sheet for your notes of what to say. If I'm giving an hour-long keynote speech, I have notes. Here's the key to notes. It's much larger font than usual. It's on a single sheet of paper. That way, I'm not having to put my glasses on and off, bend over, pick up paper, push it around. Having notes on a single sheet of paper, I can glance down occasionally, and it creates the illusion that I actually know what I'm talking about, that I have complete mastery. I can spend my time looking at people in the audience. You can do it too. So few people do this. They spend all their time typing and typing and typing all their scripts in their PowerPoint slides, and then they have to look down and the computer goes black or something and they freak out. I want to reduce your stress. So a single sheet of paper, just 1 or 2 or 3 words to remind you of what to say. The whole key is you can't write it out word for word. Simple notes will make it easy. Now, for those of you who ever have to give presentations using PowerPoint, let me give you a really quick, easy tip. Everyone's going to think you're a genius. Let's say you have a slide up and you want people to focus on you. Hit the letter B. Blacks out the screen. Any screen whatsoever, any key whatsoever, you hit it and it comes right back. Quick, easy tip. Another tip. Do you notice what I did a moment ago? I made a mistake. But I didn't stop, whine, wince. I just said what I wanted to say in the next sentence, kept on going. I didn't look embarrassed or act embarrassed. I just kept on going. Your audience isn't going to remember your mistakes. They're typically going to remember your reaction to your mistakes. So please keep that in mind. Another quick tip. If you have a problem of saying, you know, you can do what I do with my high-priced clients. I'm working with presidents of countries and prime ministers, Nobel Peace Prize winners. I type up whatever word it is they say too much. You know. I cut it out with scissors, and then I tape it on their cell phone, their watch if they wear a watch, computer screen, and then I take a red marker and I do a red circle around it and a slash mark. The international no sign, just like no left-hand turn, no parking, no. It sounds silly, it sounds hokey, it really does work and it costs you nothing. It takes about a week for it to reprocess your brain, but it does work. The final tip, it costs you nothing, it's easy to do, it's something that typically only CEOs had the luxury of doing. Now anyone can do it. That tip is any presentation, any time you have to talk to other people, practice on your cell phone, record it. Now, this is the #1 tip to actually help people. It's also the least favorite tip. People don't like recording themselves. But if you want a quick win, if you want to really boost your confidence and know exactly how you're coming across, the technology exists. It didn't exist when I started doing this more than 30 years ago. Now, everybody is surrounded by video cameras, so there's really no excuse to do it other than to say, I don't want to do it, I'm lazy. It's fine to be a beginner when it comes to presentation skills. Doesn't take any unique talents whatsoever. All that requires is following a few basic tips, and that's what we're going to do in this course.